Hello friends, my name is Samarth Bandurge. I am pursuing my MBA in DY Patil Institute of Management Studies in first year. My topic is Six Sigma. So what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a quality management approach that aims to reduce variation and defects in process. It was developed by Motorola in the 1980s and later popularized by General Electronics under Jack Welch. The goal of Six Sigma is to achieve 3.4 defects per million opportunities, meaning a process is 99.99% defect free. So, key Six Sigma methodologies. There are two main Six Sigma methodologies. First is DMAIC, used when optimizing and realize exciting process. It consists five P's. First is define, identify the problem and set objectives. Second is measure, collect data and establish a baseline for current performance. Third is analyze, identifying the root causes of defects or inefficiencies. Fourth is improve, implement solution to fix the issues. Fifth is control, maintain the improvements and prevent future defects. Second is DMADV. It used when designing new processes or products for sketching. It consists of: first is define, set the goal of new product process. Second is measure, collect the analyze customer needs. Third is analyze, develop and evaluate design alternatives. Fourth is design, create and test the best solution. Fifth is variety, ensure the new product process meet the objectives. The third one is Six Sigma certification level. Six Sigma use a belt system similar to martial arts to identify expertise level. So first is white belt, basic understanding of Six Sigma concept, support teams. Yellow belt, assist the data collection and basic problem solution. Third is green belt, leads small projects works under black belt. Fourth is black belt, leads larger projects, mentors green belt. Next is master black belt, train black belts, overseas strategies. Last one is champion, senior executive who ensure Six Sigma aligned with business goals. Next is tools used in Six Sigma. Six Sigma relies on statistical or process improvement tools, including cause and effect diagram, identifying potential causes of defects. Second is control chart, monitors process performance over time. Next one is process mapping, visual representation of workflow and identify failure modes and effective analysis, identify risk in process. Last one is statistical process control, use statistical method to monitor and control process. Next one is benefits of Six Sigma, reduce and defects error, increase products and service quality. Next one is improve efficiency, streamlines business process, reduce waste. Next one is cost saving, eliminate unnecessary cost and improve profitability. Next one is enhance customer satisfaction, ensure consistency and high quality service. Next one is data driven decision making, use statistical rather than guesswork. Next one is industries that use Six Sigma. Six Sigma is applied across many industries including manufacturing, healthcare, finance and banking, IT and software development, and retail and e-communication. Next one is how to get Six Sigma certified. Six Sigma certification is offered by various organizations such as American Society for Quality, International Association of Six Sigma Certification, Council of Six Sigma Certification. Step of certification: choose a certification body, ASQ, IASSC, or another provider. Select a belt level based on your experience or career goals. Third one is take training course, online or in-person training. Fourth one is pass off exam, including the theories and participate components. Fifth one is complete the project. Real world application is required. Next one is real world examples of Six Sigma process. First one is Motorola. Motorola is saved $17 billion by reduced defects. Next one is General Electronics, saved $12 billion under Jack Welch. Third one is Ford. Ford improve manufacturing efficiency. And last one is Amazon. Learned Six Sigma in to similar logistics. Thank you. And last one is conclusion. Six Sigma is a valuable skill for professional in operations, quality management, manufacturing, healthcare, IT, and finance. It enhances career properties and improve business efficiencies. Thank you.